Good morning, all GSM. Assalamu alaikum. Today, the subject, first subject, CPH2325 A.11. This file, dump file unlock tool, full dump file. If said this model FR key format, any tool use, say date mode, auto on off. 100% my file tested. Okay. This download link, any problem, emo, WhatsApp start now, 24-hour service. Next subject, Realme C12 dump file unlock tool, full dump file. My file 100% tested, no confuse, and download now. Any download link, WhatsApp start now. Any password problem, WhatsApp emo start now, 24-hour service. Realme all SPD 4G fax solution, enemy data file, 100% tested. This download link, okay, clear. At first it moment, your YouTube channel, at first time my subject, my request, my YouTube channel subscriber. Now see my YouTube channel subscriber, all subscriber, and like and share. Okay. If then this farmer is no link, it's link, emo, WhatsApp, and 24-hour service. Just I am very confused. Your YouTube channel no link, description and comment box now check. Now comment box now no link. At first your browser open, Google start. Now you see right Barsa mobile. That's Barsa mobile. Now see, listen to me all just friend. And this blogger site opening and just click now. Okay. Okay. Now see. Many file and very confused. My need your file just this search blogger. Any file this model. If model, my need C12 or C12. Sorry, C12. Just search. Wait. Now see Realme C12 dump file, Nokia C12, Realme C12, just any model search, no problem. Okay, just file download, WhatsApp start not, 24-hour service free, 24-hour service free. Okay, goodbye.